Pasta al Pomodoro Italian. Welcome, my dears. Today we will sail to Italy and there we will discover how to prepare and cook pasta al Pomodoro Italian. Get ready and let's go, and in the end you will find it a very delicious dish. Chapter 1. Gathering ingredients. Anyone can learn to make. Start by gathering all the necessary ingredients. For the pasta, any variety of spaghetti or linguine will do. For the sauce, you'll need ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and salt. And for the finishing touch, get a block of Parmesan cheese ready for grating. Chapter 2. Preparing the tomatoes. Begin with the tomatoes. Choose ripe, juicy tomatoes for the best flavor. If possible, opt for San Marzano tomatoes, a variety from Italy known for their sweet taste and low acidity. Plunge the tomatoes into boiling water for about 30 seconds, then transfer them to a bowl of ice water. This process, known as blanching, will make it easier to peel the tomatoes. Chapter 3. Preparing the garlic. Next, turn your attention to the garlic. Crush a few cloves with the flat side of a knife, then chop them finely. This will help to release the garlic's aromatic oils. Chapter 4. Cooking the sauce. Now it's time to start cooking. Heat a generous glug of extra virgin olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped garlic to the pan and sauté until it's fragrant but not browned. Next, add the chopped tomatoes to the pan. Cook them over medium heat until they break down and form a thick, rich sauce. This should take around 20 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the sauce from sticking to the pan. Chapter 5. Cooking the pasta. While the sauce is simmering, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Remember, the pasta should be firm to the bite, not soft. When the pasta is ready, drain it, reserving some of the pasta water. This starchy water can be used to loosen the sauce if it's too thick. Add the cooked pasta to the pan with the tomato sauce and toss everything together until the pasta is well coated. Chapter 6. Adding the finishing touches. Now tear some fresh basil leaves and stir them into the sauce. The heat will help to release the basil's aromatic oils, adding another layer of flavor to the dish. Finally, grate some Parmesan cheese over the pasta and give everything one last stir. And there you have it, a plate of authentic pasta al Pomodoro, ready to be enjoyed. Chapter 7. Summary. So, to summarize, preparing pasta al Pomodoro involves these steps. Gather your ingredients. Blanch, peel and chop the tomatoes. Crush and chop the garlic. Sauté the garlic in olive oil, then add the tomatoes and cook until they form a sauce. Cook the pasta until it's al dente, then add it to the sauce along with some torn basil leaves. Top with grated Parmesan cheese and enjoy your homemade Italian masterpiece. I wish you a delicious meal. Goodbye on a new trip and another stop in another country, and it is likely that we will prepare together a dish of couscous with lamb in the Bride of the Mediterranean, Tunisia.